men concentrate their fire on that man. Let's have us a general for dinner tonight.
Iron Will! Iron Will!
General, tingnan niyo po.
Para sa inang bayan! Lusong!
Shall we engage them, General?
Nah. We'll lose too many men. Let's give them this one. Besides, it'll be dinner time soon.
Umaatras na sila! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Hindi tayo nanalo pa ako. Alam ko, General. Pero tingnan mo sila.